Hey everybody, Jonathan here, and I'm going to show you how to install the glass screen protector on a Tesla Model 3 for your touchscreen. And on this one, it says that it's tempered glass, ultra high definition, scratch resistant, less prone to fingerprints, has an oleophobic coating, and it's designed for the Model 3, and it's easy installation under 5 minutes. And by the way, I got this from EV Wraps. You can see here it's on the side, and then on the inside it has their card as well. And so this is the screen protectors in here, and they also give you the wipes. And there's some other things in there too. I think it's the tape that you need to hold the screen protector on. So let's give it a try and see if we can do it perfectly the first time. Alright, so what you need to do first is you need to put your screen in screen cleaning mode. So you go to the menu, go to, let's see, I believe it's display in screen clean mode right there. So the screen it's dimmed and it just says screen cleaning mode. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, and there's a press and hold to exit button when you're done cleaning the screen. So what we're gonna do is open up the packaging. I'll show you what it comes with. So he has this card. If I can get this right. And it says EV Wraps. He gives you some lens cleaning wipes. And I believe these are the tapes that you're going to put on the top. So let me take out the screen protector here. Careful, you don't want to break it. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you want to clean the screen. They give you these wipes. Just unwrap it, and you're going to wipe the screen. Just wipe it the best you can. I'll give you 2 wipes. Close the door. So what you also want to make sure is when you are doing this, try to close your door. Make sure the air conditioning is not on. That way you minimize dust getting all around the screen. So I'm just making sure I get all the edges. Just make sure you get all the dust. And they give you a cleaner here. Just kind of wipe it. And it's going to be hard to get it 100%, not having dust, because, I mean, dust is everywhere. And you can see that I can see already dust already landing on the screen. And my door is closed and there's no air running. So just do your best. That's all you can do. And then they give you these stickers to help get rid of dust as much as possible. So you can kind of just like pick at them real quick. Let's see, I don't see any more. Alright, so we'll keep that off to the side. Now we're going to unpackage the screen protector. And then what we're going to do next is, you'll see this tab down here. Make sure you turn it around and the tab is facing inside. And then, so before we start doing that, they give you these three stickers, and it's going to hold the screen protector in place. So go ahead and unpeel them. Let's see if I can do it. Kind of hard to do it. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is the stickers that they give you, make sure you unpeel all 3 of them, because it's going to make this process much more easier. Because I found that when I was trying to remove the backside of the sticker, it took me a few moments to remove them, and you don't want to do it while you have the screen halfway on there or while you're trying to put it on. So unpeel all of them and kind of stick them off to the side down here somewhere. All right, and then now what we're gonna do is we wanna align the screen and get it as perfect as you can. And take your time, don't rush. And then once you got it pretty straight, you're gonna take the first sticker. I'm trying to do this while not getting in the way of the camera. And what you're gonna do with the first sticker is stick it on a little more than halfway, about right here. All right, and then kind of fold it, try to keep it back because you don't want it to stick just yet. I want to get it as straight as possible. I think it's not as easy as it looks, but try to get it as straight as you can. Right there. I think that's good, right there. And just fold it back. It'll hold right there for a moment. One thing that I recommend is if you're gonna do this, try not to do it when it's pretty warm outside because it gets pretty hot in the car. So, and it's a little warm. It's probably like 80 degrees in the car, maybe like 85. And I'm starting to sweat a little bit. And I'm trying to hope that you can see all this on the camera. Okay, now that you have the tape holding the screen protector in place, and you make sure all around the edges you can see just a tiny bit of the screen itself. Of course, you're not going to get a screen protector that's going to cover every single little edge, but you want it to cover majority of the screen. So what we're going to do now is you want to lift it up, and when you drop it, you want to make sure that it's still covering the edges. If it moves, of course adjust it just a tiny bit, but from what it looks like here, I'm still good. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna wipe the screen again, just because dust still gets underneath. See, I see just a tiny few amounts of dust in here, and just wipe them. And use the sticker, of course. I mean, if you have a lot of dust around, I mean, all you can do is do your best to get rid of as much as possible. Okay, and then so when you're putting the screen protector on, if you kind of put your finger straight down like this, you'll see it kind of like stick slowly, and it kind of stretches out. So just look around, make sure you got everywhere. If you see any air bubbles, you're gonna push them out with a little force. Remove the stickers. And you'll see some air bubbles here. It's no big deal. Just kind of push them out a little bit, and with time the bubbles will come out as your car gets hot, that kind of thing. With heat, just try to push out as many as you can though, and be careful not to put too much pressure on it. You don't want to break your screen. Just use the wipe that they give you, the cloth, and just kind of push out as many bubbles as you can. I don't see really many bubbles. I see only a couple on the sides. I'm able to push them out. And to me, this looks pretty good. I think I got it with no dust underneath. Just wipe it clean. I can't even see the screen protector actually. Alright. Alright, and then so when you're done, just press and hold the exit button, and it counts down. And there you go. And everything should work just fine. Yeah. Looks good. Everything turns on, everything is movable. Good. So that's how you install the screen protector. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Hit the thumbs up button, and thanks again for watching.